ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
U Zenit Sangma ubalongru UMLA jong kaseng Congress bat hagajo kopor ubadai upara jong unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula keno ba usumbut menteri rangba jong kesorkar jela uba Prestone tensong ula banya Donkti lang hakakam khayito ya ki Masi syabar ke jela Meghalaya. Hagajo kopor ula ongru baka jingterwa ya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ban yakun ya ki election na pun urusla constituency kadai tang ke jingkren kena kulung jong uba Prestone na lorbo ulong unong yalam jong ke Meghalaya. Ulo ongru balada kaliang persya ka kedau bat kapeni ya kinu ki jing'e bat ya kakhya ka shon jong upaj ba nong song snong ke jela Meghalaya laka longha ka bamsap bampong ni kinu ki jingjia kum ke sorkar kaladai ban shimkhia bat ban sngap lem ya ke jing kedau bat ki jing peni amman syukran labla kat shabalam.
We from the opposition, we are showing our concern for anything going wrong in the state of Meghalaya, be it corruption or any other case. They should be serious. Rather, they should be serious in trying to find out how try to find out the veracity of the charges. Simply refusing and trying someone who is putting it forward to contest in his constituency is a childish comment. That is not a solution. And I am telling you, this cattle smuggling has been going on for a couple of years. And probably, knowingly or unknowingly, people, Mr. Prestone Tinsongs, the Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, people only might be involved. When somebody is involved and he or she is charged, then they are offended. They get angry very quickly. This is the reflection that we are getting from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister.